this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to control the sensitive content on your Instagram feed, story or search. So if you don't want to see a sensitive content on Instagram in the form of reel, in the form of feed or in the form of search result, you can control it by using this feature of Instagram. So if you want to control the sensitive content, first you need to open your Instagram account, and here you need to select the profile icon. Now you need to click on the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now here you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you will see there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the account section. Under account section you need to scroll down, and here you will see that there is an option called sensitive content control. Click on it, and here you need to read this. Like in this case you will only control the sensitive content which is not in your follower list or which is not your friend. So if your friend is or you are following somebody will post a sensitive content, you will see that content. Instagram will not able to filter those content. So in order to control the sensitive content, first you need to click on continue button, and here you will see that how much sensitive content you want to see. Like in my case I had selected more sensitive content I want to see on Instagram. So if you want to use this one for your child or anyone else, so you don't want them to see a sensitive content, you can select this one, less sensitive content. And after selecting this, lots of feed, videos, reels will not be visible to you, and you can control the sensitive content on Instagram. So this is the way to control the sensitive content on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to control your sensitive content. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.